Hello, I'm David Hunt, and g'day, I'm David Hunt. How are you? Just a brief look at how to access the video recordings and how to trade with me, to use my methods as ProfitHunter group members do every day, and how to access the video recordings and read the machine-generated, unedited transcripts. I'll turn myself off. There you go. I should have put my ProfitHunter group t-shirt on, shouldn't I? Next time I'll do that. Anyway, here we go. So, first thing you want to do is go to the ProfitHunter group website and simply log in. You can log in here with your password and go to the home page. The next thing that you do is you go down the right hand column. If you are not a member at the moment, the best idea is to click on join markets alerts free, and then you'll get some of my emails out about the markets. So we'll just go down all the way down here. It's a little bit far down, but what we do is here we can see in the right hand column we've got videos. We've got all of the posts that I've put in about trades, Digital X, and so we can see here transcripts. So I'll click on here, and this is for the ASX. You'll be aware that I also do a cryptocurrency report. The cryptocurrencies can be a lot of fun. Commodities and world indices, Forex, and as well as US shares, which we have some nice short trades on at the moment during a bit of a weird time where the market is trying to stay up. And so we can see here it's come up for the 26th. So this was published at 11:18 on the 26th of October, if you want to check the dates. Now please read all the disclaimer and warnings and understand the time frame. You might want to look at David speak. And when we come here, we can see this button here which will say watch video and read unedited generated transcript. So this is the section. You will also see maybe I will also do some editing of a transcript on this section, but generally this will be the way that you'll get the transcript from now on. So you'll get a link, and you'll get the link, and it will click on here, and we'll see here. And I've been saying we're looking for a bear move for the past probably week or so. Maybe, yeah, actually past week and a half we've been looking for the market to come down, so we've been selling Australian shares. So what we go here is we go to the video, and we go to the video information. You might also notice the stock market has fallen here. We've been selling up into this area and this rally, and we've seen it come down. So it's been working for the past couple of weeks on the bear side. That's the S&P, US S&P. So what we see here is when we want to go to the transcript, we can press here to start it playing, but we can also go to the transcript if you don't have a lot of time. And to search for something, you can go Control F and search for something like, for example, BHP.AS6. And you can see here we've taken down to BHP. Now this is unedited. So what this means is if there's something that looks a bit funny, for example, it says, let's have a look at BHP in the US and PHP. This is not edited by me. It may be occasionally, but this is the fastest way to get the transcript. Now if something doesn't look right, what you do, for example, let's do for the BHP in the US, we'll click on here and we'll click there, and we'll say it will take us straight to, click on play. It looks like you have to register to log in, so I'll do this. I'll do David Hunt and we'll do sales at a desk. We'll do David at ProfitHunters.com.au. Register. Okay, so we can press here and we go to that one.
Morning everybody, hope you're good. Let me know if you can see the screen and hear me please.
And you can see the words move through. So when it gets a bit funny, if you're going into the transcript and something's a bit strange, we want to go to CBHP. We'll go to the BHP part, and we'll click on here, and it'll go to
BHP. We're short.
It's now gone to BHP. And looking at the ProfitHunter Group trades, you'll notice we've been short on
trading 35.90
Australian shares using BBOZ and short on US shares using BBUS.
37.22.
And you'll see that I'm doing that, right?
36.72.
And we've been short BHP.
$36.75.
This little trade there.
CIMIC, nowhere near our nibble. So it's been bashed. Something like you see on Sky News. There are notes.
Okay, so that's the way to do it.
There are notes. Okay.
Appreciate it if you don't share it.
Through now without sound, but there are notes. So there's no sound. There are notes transcribed under the
Hopefully
video.
this is the best way of doing it, and good luck with it.
Yeah,
if you do notice anything that you don't,
transcript of what I.
If you do know to stop and start, you can also slide this around and expand it using this. You can also look at picture in picture, which is down here, while you can work on something else if you wanted to. If you don't know what to, if something is not quite right, click on Contact Us and submit a ticket, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Occasionally you'll see over here that there'll be Train the Chartist seminars, forecast strategies. The next one's on November 2nd, which is a very important date next week. If you want to look at the gold webinar analysis and training, you could register to see that and work with that one. Thank you all, and I hope you enjoy that, and let me know if you got anything else to question, and